Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon, very good afternoon.
Sir, first of all, I want to thank you to yourself for taking out your time from your busy schedule and giving me a time slot for scheduling this interview.
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
Yeah, so firstly, I want to thank you for that. And secondly, we will take you to the interview questions. First of all, I also had the
Yeah,
shared interview questions with you earlier before over the mail, right?
yeah.
So let's just start the interview first, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir. Okay. So just for the beginning, just I'm starting with what is the latest program that you are offering in your institute, which will help your students to outperform and stand apart from the crowd.
Yeah, so see, Anand, we have started in 2009. So
Yeah.
comparatively, we are a new engineering institute in the region.
Right.
But within a very short time period, we are able to establish ourselves as a leading educational institute in the region.
Right, sir.
Right. So to inculcate the different things, different technical, non-technical things to the students.
Yeah.
We have started with certain initiatives. I will name few with increasing demand of cloud. We have started AWS Academy in for the students who are interested in going in open source technologies. We do have Red Hat Academy. Then we have conducted this Google Cloud Facilitator Program, Google Cloud Readiness Program. Then we are having association with Hawaii, NetCAD, CodeChef. So there are such many things which are equipping our students to outperform. And because of the same, since last 2 years, the placement of my department is almost 100%.
Great, sir. Great. Okay, thanks for your input, sir. That was a great thing you have shared with me that about the placement thing that you have an highest record in your institute for your specific department.
Yes.
Later on, sir, I just want to know what are the key factors that make this program the best for the students to opt in.
Okay, see, Anand, there are many parameters why this particular program, computer science and engineering, is best suited for students.
Yes.
One of the most important reason is the current requirement of course, computer science or IT graduates.
Right.
Post pandemic, the demand has increased tremendously. And another thing is that, see, this computer science and engineering, it's an application oriented branch. Moreover, no doubt there is a science involved in it, but it inclines moreover towards application, and it is having applications right from agriculture to space science.
Okay.
So the students opting for this particular program can connect with their what you can say passion. Right. So there is a lot of creativity in this particular program, and students can opt for different career options.
Okay.
Different career options means if you are having good aptitude, you are having fantastic programming skills, you can go as an web developer or full stack developer. If you are good in analyst part, you may go as an system analyst. Then there are freelance programmers. You are interested in game development. Altogether, it's a very big arena.
Right.
If you are interested in drawing or sort of creativity, then this animation is an important part.
Right.
So these are the factors that are making this particular course, this particular program, the most preferred choice.
Okay, great. Got it, sir. Got it completely. Sir, I just want to know that what will you say the best practices you are offering in this particular course?
Okay. See, Anand, even though I'm talking only for computer science and engineering, but our institute, whatever the best practices that I'm going to share with you are applicable to all the courses in my institute. Be it mechanical engineering, be it civil engineering, or be it electronics and telecommunication engineering.
Right, sir.
The thing is that we are an affiliated institute, so we are bounded by university's curriculum.
Right.
But as and when required, we take required freedom to evaluate the students. See,
Okay.
as per Bloom's taxonomy, one of the most important buzzword today, Bloom's taxonomy,
Okay.
the assessment of the students is going to drive his learning.
Exactly, sir.
The way you are assessing the students, that will encourage them for new avenues of learning. And therefore, specifically when we talk about continuous assessment, right?
Right.
So we have inculcated many new techniques that will force the students to think, right?
Right.
It is not simple. The faculty member is going to give a 20 marks paper and they are supposed to write down an answer. That is there. But along with that, let's say group discussions is there, presentations is there, case studies is there, then developing small applications is there, preparing some modules are there. So
Right.
this is the one of the best practice that I can mention. Second, we work very rigorously on the student feedback,
Okay.
right? We take usually 2 to 3 feedbacks in a semester. The first feedback is taken after 3 weeks or 1 month of academics.
Okay.
Depending upon the students' feedback, the feedback is communicated to the faculty, and faculty do make necessary changes in their delivery of the contents. So this strong feedback mechanism has really helped us to establish and connect with the students.
Right.
That is important,
Right.
because if the feedback are just collected and no action is taken, definitely students are not going to give it properly.
Yes, sir.
Then as per the university curriculum, internship compulsory,
Right.
for second year, for third year, as well as final year. So these are some of the best practices, but I will mention a very strong connect between students and faculties.
Exactly, sir.
That has really helped us to transform ourselves.
Right. So the feedback thing is the key insight, as you mentioned.
Yeah. Mhm.
Apart from that, sir, what are some valuable insights like of the program that you are offering at your institute, or you can say in a department?
Yeah, okay. See, again, Anand, we are affiliated institute. We are affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonare,
Yes.
right? And fortunately, the curriculum of the university is aligned with the education framework, specifically new education policy,
Okay.
right? So the curriculum is having all the parameters or all the subjects. Technical subjects are there, definitely, as an engineering course. Technical subjects are there, but along with that, the courses like, for example, business communication, soft skill and personality development, basic human rights, economics and management, these are really helping the students to excel in their careers.
Right.
Not only this, there are open electives,
Okay.
right? So students can decide, okay, I want to go make my career in cloud computing. I want to make my career in programming. I want to make a career in, let's say, game development. So all these things are helping the students to build their strong technical skills.
Technical skills, right?
Yeah.
Exactly, sir. Exactly. That's the thing that make them to stand them apart into the crowd as well.
Yeah,
Right.
definitely.
And one more thing, sir. Like, how does the program ensure that the students are being prepared for the future, as in terms of, you can say, the job placements, the rigorous competition in the IT segments? Like,
Right.
can you
Okay.
put a bit
Got
insight
it.
on it, sir?
Yeah, got it, Anand. Right. See, from the beginning, it has been a tradition of the institute that we work for students, right? Of course,
Okay.
because they are giving us our bread and butter. So we
Right.
have a very strong philosophy that uh, uh, mm, we are supposed to give it back to the students.
Right.
So the program ensures that the students are prepared for the future. Again, there will be a bit repetition from my end. Different value added courses.
Okay.
See, Anand, one thing is sure, in computer science and engineering or in IT field,
Mm-hmm.
changes are happening every day.
Yes. Yes. Right, sir.
New technologies are coming very rapidly.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, we offer a lot of value added courses. Few of them I have already mentioned. AWS Academy is there, Red Hat is there,
Right.
Google program is there.
Right.
And along with that, we have a very good practice of inviting experts from outside,
Okay.
right? The domain expert or subject experts.
Okay.
So these particular experts are master in their said field. The experts are from industry, some are from educational domain also.
Okay.
Not only this, at our department, we ensure that after a standing of almost 13 years now, our alumni are also playing a very good role in industry.
Exactly.
So we do invite alumni also. So a teacher saying something to the student and a alumni saying something to the students, it makes a huge difference.
Right.
So be it a technological aspect, be it value education aspect, be it a lifelong learning aspects, all the needs of the students are taken care of. So we believe in the holistic development of the students. We try to develop their life skills.
Right.
And these life skills we are trying to inculcate with different practices, be it discipline, right?
Right.
A very important aspect.
That's a
A
primary
person
thing.
needs to be disciplined.
Yes, sir.
So like that, we ensure that the students are prepared for the future.
Okay, great to hear that, sir. That's the great insights you have given on the particular question. Let me just come to the point that, sir, how did you train yourself or the faculty members into your specific department to deliver this program effectively to the students?
Yeah, definitely, Anand. Very important question, I must say, because the faculty are the key stakeholders of any educational institute.
Exactly, sir.
Right. So, looking at the curriculum of the university, definitely we do identify certain gaps.
Okay.
There are gaps between academia and industry. Right. Industry is usually ahead of academia.
Right.
So, every subject we plan accordingly. And during vacation period or many times, even if the semester is going on, we conduct different programs, faculty development programs.
Okay.
We encourage faculty members to enroll for different, that may be online faculty development programs, short-term training programs, few courses, because after pandemic, a lot of educational sites like Coursera and Udemy, they have started offering different courses free of cost.
Right, sir.
So faculties are taking care that for delivering XYZ subject, I am fully ready. Right. So, and the subjects are allotted to faculties well in advance. So they know I am supposed to teach this particular subject, a minute planning of assessment, planning of every lecture, planning of the activities that are supposed to be taken during a semester. Everything is perfectly planned.
Right, sir. That's the thing that you need to do within your department, I suppose.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. That's the next. Move to the another question, sir. Like, how do you
Yes.
tend to build an industry connect with this program?
Yeah. Very important aspect, Anand. Ultimately, every educational institutes, the placement is a buzzword today, right?
Right.
How many students are placed?
Right.
So from the beginning, we are trying to get associated with different industries. Some of the local industries I will like to mention, be it JLL, be it Expert Solutions, be
Right.
it Findability Sciences. We are in constant touch with them. We call the expert from that industry to our college,
Yes.
and we try to establish a rapport with them. Definitely, we are getting benefits. That industry comes for replacement to us, and apart from that, we have signed a different many MOUs, right?
Right.
So those MOUs also help us to call the resource persons from that industry. And
Right.
as I mentioned earlier, expert talk is in practice, right?
Exactly.
So the experts are from industry, so that help us to build a rapport with the industry.
Okay, okay, okay. Great. That's very thoughtful. Sir, later I just move on to the question like, what were the challenges that you faced while in sorry, what were the challenges that you faced while inculcating this program in your curriculum? Any kind of hurdles, challenge?
Yeah. I must say, Anand, definitely inculcating all these things into a course or into a program is not an easy task.
Exactly.
Definitely, certain challenges are there.
Yes.
I will name a few challenges, right?
Sure, sir.
The diverse background of the students.
Yes, sir.
My institute is one of the top leading institute in the region, and the students from all the parts of the society, right? Be it poor, be it middle class, be it rich, be it from reservation category, be it from open category, all the students get admission, right?
Right, sir.
So satisfying the needs, the learning need of every student is something different, right? Yes. Not everybody is fast learner, not everybody is slow learner. So this is a challenge that we have encountered, or rather I will say we are encountering. But with the help of our systems, with the help of our practices, typically we face challenge in the second year, right? Okay. But once the students are in department, then gradually we understand them, we understand their needs, and we have a very fantastic mechanism of mentor-mentee, right? Okay. This particular mentor-mentee mechanism is giving us the accurate insights about the needs of the students. Okay. So even if challenges are there, challenges are definitely there, but we are able to overcome them.
Okay. Noted, sir. Noted. That's the mentorship thing that was kind of great of initiative that you are working on. Sir, I just want to put a light on like what are the types of projects that the students are working on through this program?
Okay, Anand, I would take a bit long time to answer this particular question.
Yeah, sure.
See, Anand, we are the only educational institute in this region who have started one unique program that is called as engineering exploration.
Okay.
Now, in this program, in the first year itself, the students are shortlisted on the basis of their certain skills.
Okay.
And that group is interdisciplinary. So in a group, there is a student from computer, there is a group from civil, there is a student from mechanical, there is a student from electronics. So we give them certain problem statements, right? Okay. Or rather, we give them certain need statements.
Okay.
Then student convert those need statements into problem statements. So you may, for simplicity, you may consider a project statement, right?
Yes, sir.
And we train the students in the first year itself, and then students engineer a product. That may be as simple as automatic dustbin collector,
okay,
right? Or that may be solar panel cleaner.
Right. Throughout the academics.
Throughout this, we are offering other than academics, right?
Right.
Every week we are spending 6 hours The separate faculty members are allotted to them, and this practice has given us a fantastic results.
Okay,
So,
great, sir.
from the first year itself, students are getting habitual to work on projects. So slowly, as they progress in second year and then third year, they are developing innovative projects. Right now, with respect to my branch, students are working on all latest project ideas. That may be this COVID data analysis is there, then face recognition is there.
Right.
We do have certain projects for Divyang people, right?
Right.
So, and every we try to make sure that in every department there should be some projects which will satisfy the social needs.
Right, sir.
Ultimately, the meaning of education is, after education you should be able to solve the problems of the society.
Right.
Along with that, we do also work on sponsored projects. It means in collaboration with industry.
Right.
Be it mechanical, be it civil, be it computer, be it electronics. So we are working very closely with industry as well on the projects part.
Okay. Noted, sir. That I got to know that you have a very wide scope in terms of projects that you are providing to the students.
And students are developing project in first year. In second year also they are developing project. In third year also they are developing project. And in final year they are also developing a project.
Okay, that's a great thing, sir. For the entire academics, they are also working on the projects.
They are working on project, right? Yeah.
Okay. Great, sir. Sir, we have come on to the last question of our interview session. That is sir, what are the benefits and career options after pursuing this course? I just want to know that in a brief itself, sir.
Yeah. As I mentioned, Anand, while answering some of the previous questions, computer science is a field which has an application right from agriculture to space science, right? So depending upon your interest, depending upon your passion, you may explore this branch, which will give you variety of career options.
Okay.
So as I mentioned, you are interested in programming, you are creative, so you can go in programming track. You are having a very good imagination power, then you may go for, let's say, application development, Android application or Apple application development, iOS, right? Then you are interested in web technology, so web developer is a field. You are interested in what you can say, the solving the problems of the systems, computer systems, I mean to say.
Okay.
Then system programmer is on track. You are interested, let's say, in social media. So social media analytics or data analytics is a path, career path.
Right.
So looking at current industry perspective, this branch is definitely going to offer lot of good career options these days. So another thing is that, okay, you don't want to work with anybody, you don't want any bindings, so you can work as a freelancer. Right,
sir.
There are many websites which bid for the projects.
Right.
You can bid for that project, you can develop a project, that's it, no binding.
Right.
So I will say the opportunities in computer science are just unlimited. There is no limitation to the opportunities or career options pursuing computer science engineering or any subset of computer science engineering, be it IT, be it AI, ML, be it data science. There are different flavors.
Yes, sir. That's a very huge scope that into the current market scenario. Like the IT market, the computer system markets is growing day by day. Like it's a huge jungle, you can say. So that's a very great insights from you, sir. I just want to thank you from me and my team from heart that you are giving your time just for our interview and putting some insights. That's the great thing that you are that the work that your institute and your specific department that you are leading, that will definitely help your students to be at top in the market. in terms of placement, in terms of skills, in terms of anything, sir.
Yeah, definitely. We are striving very hard for that.
So again, sir, I want to thank you for
Yeah, my pleasure.
giving your time for this interview, and I
Yeah.
hope to get in touch with you personally. Definitely,
Yes.
we will meet and discuss about more in detail, like what and how the college dunia will also help you into the put some value into your college and your some academic development areas.
Yes, definitely, Anand.
Okay, yeah. Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
chalo, thank you. My pleasure. Thank you. Thank you to your entire team also for hosting this interview.